Good morning, Fly Babies. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday. We're in Zone 5, and we have a 3-layer cake. The first layer is our routines, 5 routines, the number of grace. First routine, morning routine. If you're listening to this in the morning, that's what you're doing now before the kids get up. If you have a little one who wants to pop out of bed, it's the same as getting out of bed when it's time for them to be in bed at night. It's still time for them to be in bed. So back in the bed they go for just a few minutes. They can read a book or whatever. It's time for mom. So you're going to go get yourself ready. Once you've done your morning routine all the way through to emptying the dishwasher and making yourself a little cup of coffee, then your babies can get up and you can put them through their morning routine. Next, we have our second routine of the day. If you are a payroll fly baby, that routine is going to happen when you come home. If you are an at-home fly baby or patron, you're going to do your laundry next. So go ahead and get a load going. While it's going, you can hear it washing itself, right? You're not scrubbing on a board. It's not that hard. Don't make it harder than it has to be. Then you're going to go through an inch of paper. If you are one of those people who does not have a washer or dryer and you're going to take your clothes to the laundromat, pick a day and take all of your clothes to the laundromat. Be prepared, get there early, get it all done, get it all folded, get home and put it away. You can get that done early in the morning and knocked out. Pick a day to do it, okay? But if you have a washer, go ahead and get your laundry started, go through your inch of paper, and then after that, your fourth routine is going to happen in the afternoon. So if you're a payroll fly baby, you're going to do your laundry when you get home, you're going to go through an inch of paper, then you're going to fix dinner, and after dinner, you're going to have your fourth routine, which is the after dinner routine, appropriately named. That's a family affair. And then when you're done with that, rest and enjoy the family. And then we have before bed routine, okay? That's our 5 little routines. We do them every day, except the laundry and the paper. We do all of these every day, and that makes a big difference in your life. All right, next, once you've got those in place and you're doing them regularly, that's when you're going to start doing your zone work. Our zone is zone 5. That is the living room. Today is Wednesday. We have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday if you're an at-home fly baby to finish these. If you're a payroll fly baby and you elect to do them after work, which I highly recommend to save your Saturday, because I know how you look forward to Saturdays. I worked my whole entire adult life in a job in an office, and I know what it feels like. So let's save that Saturday. Discipline yourself to get these 10 to 15 minutes worth of work done in that living room today, all right? 3 of them, 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And if you're at home, same thing. Let's get it done first thing in the morning. After you've done your laundry and you've done your paper, you're going to go straight into your zone. I used to put you straight into your basic weekly plan, but some of the basic weekly plans involve leaving the house, and I don't want you to leave before these things are done. That's why, okay? I realize that some of you are carpool or etc., and you have to leave for a few minutes, but don't leave. Don't go out there and start doing things. Come back in and finish what you started, all right? Hear me? Okay, next we're going to do, so we're going to work in the living room. 3 things. If you've got it decluttered, then you're going to pick. You probably picked in the beginning of the week 4 things to do in there for Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Tuesday being your free day. So get one of those things done, 10 minutes or less. If you don't have a deep cleaning job because you are still in clutter mode, then you're going to declutter for 15 minutes and then conclude that decluttering by putting away, throwing away, and giving away, putting the giveaway in the back of the car. Okay, next is our weekly plan. Now on Wednesday, our planning is planning and desk day. I always like this day because I'm a planner and I love to plan. So do your planning and desk day. Hold on. Oh, by the way, let me get my lipstick off of this. Look at this pretty cup. Isn't that pretty? It says the Daily Connoisseur, Jennifer L. Scott. I love her. And she has cups for sale. So I got a cup. I think it's so good. I got one from Nikki too. I'll show it to you one day. It's really pretty. It has a rose on it, inspired by Nikki. Where was I? Sidetracked. Okay, So we're going to do our planning and desk day. And what does that mean? Well, if you're a payroll fly baby and you're going to leave in a little bit, go look in your freezer and your refrigerator and your pantry, get a good idea of what's in there, because when you get to work, you're going to make your grocery list. Hopefully, you've gotten one of those dollar pads that you just stick on the refrigerator, has a magnet on the back. You can get them at the Dollar Tree, you can get them in the Dollar Spot at Target, you can get them a lot of places. And write down things as you run out of them, or have the family do that. So at least you have a place to start. Then, or anything special that somebody wants, they can put on there. You can decide if you're going to buy it or not based on your budget. Then when you get to work, or you sit down at home to write your grocery list, you've looked in the fridge, the pantry, and the refrigerator. You've made a grocery list. No, first you've made a menu based on what you have, and then finish out your menu, and then write your grocery list based on what you're missing from that menu. Also what you need for snacks, for breakfasts, and for lunches. Don't forget things like baggies, tinfoil, paper towels, toilet paper. Don't forget. Okay, I mean, always remember. Somebody told me not to say don't forget. So remember, remember to do that. All right. Another thing you can do, especially if you're at home, is go ahead and wipe that refrigerator down today when you go and look, and throw away the things that have aged out. If you're a fly baby who works, if you could take a minute to do that this morning, that's awesome. If you can't, maybe you can do that this afternoon. Again, this is not a big job. Do not make it bigger than it has to be. Next, we're going to go and look at our bills, and we're going to pay our bills. We're going to look at our budget. We're going to balance our checkbook first. That's number one. Look at our budget second. Pay our bills third. And now you're going to look at your grocery list and make sure it fits in your budget. If it doesn't, then you're going to have to do a little bit of adjusting to make it fit. Try to go a penny under. And I find that when I order my groceries online, I generally spend less than I do when I go into the store, because I am sidetracked and I get my attention diverted by all the smart marketing marketing ploys, right? Those end caps with just that wonderful thing for the season. Stay away. Okay. All right. So that's it for your planning and desk day, and you're done. Now, if you're working, you're going to come home, you're going to start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, start your supper. Of course, you're going to do a clutter check and check on your children and inspect what you expect just as you're going. You're just going to do that. Then you're going to say, okay, next living room, 10 to 15 minutes in there. Next, let's take care of that fridge real quick while I'm in here. Next, let's have supper. Then our after dinner routine and our before bed routine. It's that simple. And when you're done on Saturday, oh, and one more thing. If you've split up the weekly home blessing hour, make sure that whoever you delegated it to has done that. That's inspect what you expect. Or you're going to have to do it yourself. Your choice. Get it done so Saturday you won't have to do all these things. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.